Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. So I did some retail therapy a couple of weeks ago, and on a whim I purchased Your Creative Studios box. I used to open this box on my channel, and it's been probably over a year since I've opened the box, and I decided to get one. So this is how you get it, in a very plain, unassuming box. It says Your Creative Studio on the label. I did take a peek at the contents because I was just really excited to receive it. Before I open it, I do want to tell you, I think the value in this box is there. For $30.90 shipped, I received everything in this box. So to me, the value is there. Okay, let's take a little peek. Now, I haven't opened anything. I just kind of like looked at it. Okay, so let's go through the items. I am going to give you my honest review on everything, if I like it, if I dislike it, and let me know what your thoughts are about the box. So the first thing I grabbed are these stickers. It looks like stickers. Still in the plastic shrink wrap, so let's get it opened. So it seems very nice. So it's in a little bag. Another little baggie to open. So you're going to get 40 stickers. There are 20 patterns and 2 of each pattern. And overall, I think they're very nice. There's a variety of them. It's very vintagey looking, and overall, I think it's a good deal. I thought this was going to be a repeat of something that I have, but this is not a repeat of what I have, so I do like them. At first, I was a little bit on the fence about it. So, are they easy to peel? I'm not sure. Let's do a cool little test real quick. Because sometimes you get these stickers and they're not easy to peel, and yes, they are very easy to peel. So far, I like it. I like the stickers. They're not repeats of what I have, and you're going to get 40 in this little box. The next thing I'm going to grab, oh, by the way, they do have a little card right here thanking you for your purchase. And if I forgot to mention it, this is the July 2023 box. Okay, the next thing on top is paper. And, oh, I like it. It's a little pad of paper. How many sheets of paper? I really can't tell. Since everything is made in China, I think on the back it is 30 sheets of paper with 30 different designs. Some of the papers are vellums, so that's really nice. Oh, actually, it seems like the whole back section. All right, it's hard to tell. Some of them are vellum, and some of them are regular papers. Again, I like this a lot, and if you're into florals, I think you'll like it too. Then we have this here. What is this? They just call it paper ephemera, and these are envelopes, and it looks like 2 of each pattern, and they're gorgeous. This is my style. I love this. So there's 10 of them, 2 of each pattern. Very nice envelopes. And the inside of the envelopes have a pattern as well. So I like that attention to detail. That is really sweet. You're going to get a nice pattern inside. So those are my style. Okay, what else we got? We have another sticker set. It says here that this is very easy to read. It says 50 pieces. Let's open this. And it looks like a combination of stickers and paper. So we have a bunch of stickers. I'm seeing unicorns, I'm seeing pretty ladies, vintagey ladies. I like the white border. There's cars. That's really nice. And put that aside. We have a set of papers to match them. These are gorgeous. I'm not really sure how many papers there are, but it seems like it's a repeating pattern of 2 prints, and then you get 2 new prints. So really gorgeous, vintagey looking patterns. This is just my style. I don't really know how the stickers correspond to that, but it doesn't matter. I like them. If that makes any sense. Then we have another pack. It says 20, so I'm assuming these are 20 sheets of paper, 8 designs, I think. This is really nice. So if you are into vellum, that's what these are. Vellum papers. Gorgeous. Let me see if I can show them to you really quick on a white background so you can get an idea of how pretty these are. You know, your creative studio never disappoints. If this is your style of crafting papers and ephemera and material, they always really knock these boxes out of the park. And again, the price was under $31, so I really think you get a lot of value for what you get in a single box. So that is gorgeous. Let me put that aside. I do have all my other old unboxings in a playlist called Junk Journaling if you are interested in seeing them. Like I said, it's been a real long time since I did a unboxing of these items. Now this is chocked. This is chocked full of stickers. Let me just show you the back of it really quick. You're going to get 60 flower stickers in here. I'm going to slowly open it, but I'm not going to go through every little thing because it's just for camera time and editing purposes. It would just take so long. But let me show you quickly how beautiful this is. You are going to get a variety of beautiful stickers. Are they easy to peel? Probably not the easiest, but the end result is going to look gorgeous. Some of them are, oh no, they're not sticking together. Again, if you are into florals and vintage botanicals, these are your stickers. The colors are actually very nice and vivid. I am extremely happy with this set, and this set will last a very long time. So again, you're going to get 60 stickers in here. Absolutely very pretty. I'm going to save everything in the bags for last. I didn't forget about them. It's just easier for me to go through the little envelopes first. And you should see when I put the video, after I'm done with the video, putting everything back. It can take quite a while, but I really do want to show you everything. So these look like the faux stamps, and it comes in a very nice envelope. Unfortunately, some of them are a little bent, but they are still usable. Let me take them out. So these are faux postage stamps. I can tell they are stickers, and there's a huge assortment of them in here. Again, the paper is nice. It's not too flimsy, and the colors are absolutely beautiful. Most of them, as you can see, are botanicals, the butterflies, the florals. They're stamps and tickets. So gorgeous. They're definitely stickers. It was a little hard to peel, but they will peel. You just have to, you know, play with it. Get your nails underneath it. But they're all stickers, tickets, and strips. So really, really, really pretty. More stickers, and these are little vintage teapots, various sizes, much easier to peel. And, ooh, look at this pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? This is 24 sheets. It says 6 sticker papers, 6 vellums, 6 art papers, and 6 pattern papers for a total of 24. And it's 12 by 21 centimeters. I love it when they put the quantity on the back, and here's a quick look of the pictures, but I am taking them out. So these are absolutely beautiful. They're all the botanical, floral, butterfly theme. So pretty. These boxes absolutely never disappoint me, at least. This is my style. Absolutely my style of papers. Now these are the papers. These are non-sticker. I can tell right away. And each print is the same as the sticker sheets. Gorgeous. And then after the paper, these are textured papers. They have a little texture, and they're a little bit thicker than the papers I just went through. And then we have the vellum. And the vellum is probably my favorite. Look at those beautiful, vivid colors. Absolutely delicious looking. I think this is my favorite one. And then that's it. We are back to the beginning. So 24 sheets of sticker, paper, and vellum. Absolutely beautiful. And at the very bottom, I have textured stickers. You can't see the perforations on the front, but this is all texturized, and it is a sheet of stickers of this. So really pretty. Then the last things in the box, I'm going to open the washi first. They always include one washi tape. And it's very, very pretty. And it matches the whole theme of the box, like a vintage flowery tea party. I guess that's the best way to put it. And these are the stickers. The cling stamps. So used to seeing all these stickers. We got 4 of them. So that's pretty. That's a teapot with some cups, a little bunny, I think, inside the teacup, a stack of teacups, and more, a teacup with flowers. So the way these work, there's a thin layer here that you can just peel off. And this is actually supposed to stick. Maybe this one has double layer. You're supposed to peel this off, and it's supposed to stick to a stamp pad. But truthfully, I've had trouble with it, and I just stamp as this, and I don't put it on a block because sometimes, like I'm peeling this off right now, there's nothing to stick to it. It's not going to stick to anything. So let's just do a little test. I'm not sure why this is not sticky, because this is supposed to peel off and it's supposed to stick on a block. But let's go ahead and just do a test so you can see what they look like, and hopefully I can stamp these pretty good. It's a little frustrating when it doesn't work as advertised, where you should stick it on a block, but there's still a very nice stamp. Really pretty. It does stick to my fingers. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, I didn't see I had the thing on it. Disregard. That was my error. Okay, let's stick it down there. Much better. That's really nice. I love using this Noir Block ink because it's perfect to combine with watercolor paints or pens, and the ink won't run. Oh, that one is so cute. And then the last one is this big one. Yeah, it actually sticks to my fingers just fine. That's pretty. That's pretty. I think this one's stamped the best, and this one next. This one can be a little bit more crispy or clearer, but it's still a very pretty stamp. But I think I like this one the best, and this one is small. So, beautiful stamps. Let me just try that other one more time, because I'm really curious to see if it was me. Maybe I need to do it again. I want to see if it's going to get a little bit more crispy clear. I think that's a better stamped image than the other one I did on the other side. Very nice. So that is your Creator Studio for July. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check out the box. And I hope in the next week or so I can do some crafty stuff with this project and do a video on that. And so check back to the channel and see if that happens. I hope it does. We'll see how much work I have to do in my regular job life. But if you enjoyed the video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and some comments would be great. And if you so choose, a subscribe too would really be lovely. It would help support my channel, and I so appreciate it. You all have a great rest of your week, and let me know what you think of the box. Okay, guys. Bye.